I'm Dale with Grand Trunk, and today we're going to do a review and setup of the Grand Trunk Double Deluxe hammock. Double Deluxe comes with straps. So there's two straps, and they're actually 2 inches wide. So some national parks require a 2-inch wide webbing. So each strap has two sides. One is more like the handle, and the other one has all the adjustment points. So you're going to start by taking the handle and wrapping it around the tree, looping it in, and then you'll go and do the other side. And now we're going to set up the hammock. So the Double Deluxe comes with steel carabiners. So when you clip these in, you got to make sure that they clip in all the way securely. Then you'll bring it over. You want to make sure there's a little sag in your hammock, so I'm not going to pull it really tight. I wouldn't pull it like there. We want to have a little bit of sag. And then clip that in, and there you are.